Hi, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, just off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a 2020 Boston Whaler 270 Dauntless. Starting off with the profile, this boat is equipped with the light blue optional gel coat with the chrome graphics and the silver model designator. Starting here in the cockpit, I've got the stern seat of the backrest of the stern seat in the upright position. As you can see, as robust as this is, when you drop the seat down, it doesn't slam. Gives us a lot of real estate here at the transom for casting, just maneuvering around the boat in general. We have 5 rod holders along the back with 2 cup holders, a ski pole, and 2 swim platforms that are angled outward away from the Mercury motor, which is an L6 supercharged 400 horsepower 4-stroke. I've also got a boarding ladder that stows up inside the swim platform, raw water washdown, and a battery charger on board. As we board the boat and make our way further forward, here at the helm we have a large touchscreen from Marine, digital throttle and shift, a really well appointed helm with a wrapped steering wheel that is on an adjustable tilt, Marine VHF, and a Fusion Bluetooth stereo. In the hardtop, you can see we've got a light blue gel coat that actually matches the hull color. We've got storage for soft goods, life jackets, throwable device, overhead light, 4 rocket launchers along the top. And as we kind of rotate around the seat, you can see we have 2 adjustable bolsters up here. So you can create either a leaning post for the driver while the passenger sits, and we have 2 angled footrests, one for at a distance when you're seated and one for when you're standing. I do want to show the stern seat in its open position. You can see how tall the backrest is. It's very comfortable, it's very robust, easily would seat 3, maybe even 4 adults. And then you have storage beneath that can be accessed either through a single or a double door. And that is gives us some storage for a ladder for a beach platform on the port side, a table bracket mount, and our battery charger. We've also got a freshwater sprayer right there as we enter. And then here on the port side, our dive door folds down and gives us a beach patio. On the back side of the helm, on the leaning post rather, we've got a very large live well. This is the Deluxe leaning post, along with a freshwater sink and 2 cup holders and 2 rod holders. Further forward on the starboard side, our head area inside the console. The door is on a magnetic catch. We've got a pump out head, storage for our table, and just a bunch of headroom in general. Then here in the bow seating area, really large chase lounge, easily can seat 2 adults side by side. The armrests do adjust to raise and lower. And then beneath this seat, there's a ton of storage. Really deep. Got rod storage, space for buckets. We've got a step going down. And we've also got a ton of space for the filler cushion that goes in between the 2 bow seats. With these backrests up, you can see there's a lot of space for lounging. Someone who's well over 6 feet has plenty of space up here. Picnic table goes up in the bow along with the filler cushion, and then I can easily drop these backrests down just as easy as I can put them back up. We've got another stereo remote up here, JL audio speakers up in the bow, 2 rod holders for the bow sunshade kit that was stored in the head, and then lastly, we have a windlass remote controlled anchor. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. Come by and see us at our Daniel Island location. We're at 142 Sportsman Island Drive, or call us at 843-747-1889, and always check us out at marinemax.com. Thanks for watching.